Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Xbox application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, open up Microsoft Store on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, at the top search bar, type in Xbox and click on Enter. After that, you will find Xbox application here. Click on it and click on Install button here. I have already downloaded it, so there is Open button. Simply click on Install and you can use Xbox application. So that is how you can download and use Xbox application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.